I've shown you how to make so many DIY cleaners. Now, how about one for your pets? Dogs have a habit of getting into messes. I've had family pups who have been covered in mud when you take them out for a walk or just getting into any kind of mess. This is a DIY dog wash you can make with some common household ingredients. This is in an emergency. Maybe you ran out of dog shampoo, or maybe you just want a more healthy, natural approach to your dogs. You can try a variety of natural dog wash recipes. This is a pretty simple and basic recipe. You're just gonna start off with some water. Just use good quality filtered water, or if you have distilled water, go ahead and use that. Try to avoid tap water. I just try to start with the best quality ingredients anytime I'm making a DIY cleaner, any DIY recipe. So I'm starting off with some water in here, about 2 cups, and I'm gonna add a little bit of baking soda to the water. Surprise, surprise, baking soda's in our DIY dog wash. Such a versatile ingredient. I'm gonna gently just mix this up to get that baking soda dissolved a little bit. Put on your lid, shake it up. Next, I always keep some castile soap. This is such a versatile cleaner. You can make your own human shampoo, human body wash, and it also works for dogs. So adding in the castile soap, I'm doing about 4 tablespoons. Can eyeball that a little bit or measure it. The reason why we have baking soda in there is we want the right pH. Dog skin and fur is pretty sensitive. The baking soda will give it the right pH combined with the soap. So that'll help with dog skin sensitivity. I'm also gonna add some aloe vera gel just for some extra moisture. Concentrating because I don't want to get this everywhere. Always check the ingredients when you're making a natural dog wash. Castile soap, just make sure it's normal Castile soap. If it has a little lavender or essential oils, that's fine. Make sure your aloe vera gel is just aloe vera gel. This one actually has a little vitamin E in it, which is fine. So just make sure the ingredients are gonna be good and safe for you and your pets. I'd stay away from anything that has heavy dyes or fragrances already in it. You just want the most natural product you can find. So that was a little bit of aloe vera gel in there, and that's it. You just need a container, shake it up. You can make this in small batches. That's why it's great to have a little backup DIY dog wash recipe in your back pocket. You can just make a little batch and just bathe your dog with it really quick, maybe if you're out of a soap or in between. And that's all it is, a few simple ingredients. Another dog wash you can make is just with some oats. Just take some whole oats. You can blend it up in a food processor until it's a powder. Combine that with some warm water. And then you could add something like a shea butter or a coconut oil just for extra moisture, or you can just leave it with the oats, and then you can put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar also helps balancing those pH levels. So a lot of the times when it comes to these DIY dog washes, you'll want to use a little bit of baking soda or a vinegar just to help keep things in the right balance. Oats are gonna be a great homemade solution if your dog has itchy skin. Oats is a great treatment for dry, itchy skin. Look for 100% shea butter. You're gonna wanna melt this down a little bit, just a few seconds in the microwave safe bowl should do it. And then you can make this in small batches just because it doesn't really combine well with water and liquid, but you can add a little bit of this. Coconut oil, make sure it's 100% just raw coconut oil. This is gonna be great too for extra hydration and moisture. You can find many different formulations of dog washes online. If you are choosing to make one and want to use it more regularly for normal bath times, dogs don't need baths that often. If you are gonna use it as your regular dog wash, what I would do is test it first. Maybe, you know, on a leg, on a small part, wash them a little bit and give it a day and see how their skin reacts. Anytime you're introducing something new to your dog, whether it's food or a dog wash, you wanna try it out first, see how their skin responds, and then you can continue using it. So just something to watch out for. Our pets are just like us. They have different skin irritations and different reactions to different ingredients. So you definitely want to be careful on what you're using. Make sure it's natural, good quality ingredients. And then when you do use it, make sure you're testing it first. If your dog gets messy and you're looking for a quick solution, reach for some common household ingredients and you can make your own custom dog wash.